Hello and welcome to Mini MBA Hub, a central place for learning. From marketing to leadership, learn what matters for your career. Stay tuned and enjoy the journey. Today, our topic is project risk management, one of the most crucial aspects of project management. Did you know that more than 60% of projects fail because risks weren't managed properly? Imagine working for months and suddenly your project collapses due to a supplier issue, a budget overrun, or even something as small as a missed email. That's the power of risk, and today, I'll show you how professionals manage it step by step using the PMBOK guide, plus an example from one of the most popular real-world projects. So, what exactly is risk management? According to PMBOK, it's the process of identifying, analyzing, and responding to risks throughout a project. But let's put it in simple words. Risk management means preparing for what might go wrong, or right, before it actually happens. Think of it like driving with Google Maps. You don't just know the route, you also see possible traffic, accidents, or shortcuts ahead, and you can adjust. That's what risk management does for your projects. Now, let's break this down into clear steps. There are 5 main steps to effective risk management. And trust me, once you learn these, you'll never look at projects the same way again. The first step is identify risks. You can't manage what you don't know. So here, we brainstorm all possible risks, both negative and positive. Some techniques you can use are brainstorming with your team, reviewing lessons learned from past projects, using a risk checklist, interviewing experts. For example, if you're planning a software launch, risks might include delays in coding, sudden staff turnover, or even a competitor releasing a similar app. On the positive side, maybe you finish early and can launch before competitors. That's a positive risk or opportunity. Once you've listed the risks, the next step is analyze risks. Not all risks are equal, some are huge, others are minor. We usually do this in 2 ways. 1. Qualitative analysis, ranking risks by probability and impact. This is fast and simple. For example, high probability, high impact risks get top priority. 2. Quantitative analysis, using numbers, simulations, or models to measure impact in dollars, days, or percentages. A practical tool here is the probability impact matrix. Imagine a grid. Low, medium, high probability on one side, and low, medium, high impact on the other. Where a risk falls tells you how seriously you should take it. Now comes the heart of risk management. Plan risk responses. For negative risks, threats, you can avoid, change the plan to eliminate the risk. Transfer, shift it to a third party, like insurance or outsourcing. Mitigate, reduce its probability or impact, like adding extra testing. Except, sometimes, the best choice is just to acknowledge the risk and be ready if it happens. For positive risks, opportunities, you can exploit, ensure it definitely happens. Share, partner with someone to maximize the opportunity. Enhance, increase its probability or impact. Accept, simply enjoy the benefit if it occurs. Example, if your project has a risk of supplier delay, you might mitigate by having a backup supplier, or transfer by putting penalty clauses in the contract. Step 4 is implement risk responses. This means actually putting your plan into action, assigning risk owners, allocating budget and time reserves, making sure the team knows what to do if a risk occurs. It's not enough to just plan on paper, you need to execute those plans and track them. And finally, step 5, monitor and control risks. Risks don't stay the same. Some disappear, new ones pop up. That's why we need regular risk reviews and updates. Here, you track existing risks, identify new risks, check if your risk responses are working, update the risk register. Think of it like a regular health check for your project. You don't wait until the patient collapses, you monitor progress and adjust early. Before we wrap up, let me share a common mistake. People only think of risks as negative. But opportunities are risks too, and if you capture them, you can deliver extra value. Another mistake is treating risk management as a one-time activity. Remember, it's ongoing, from project start to finish. So, quick recap. 1. Identify risks. 2. Analyze risks. 3. Plan responses. 4. Implement responses. 5. Monitor and control. Do this well, and you'll not only protect your project but also discover hidden opportunities along the way. Thanks for watching and being part of the Mini MBA Hub. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends or classmates. We've got more valuable content coming your way, covering leadership, management, business strategies, and operational insights to support your learning journey. Got a question or something to add? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to mention your name, location, and university. We might feature your response in the next video. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep learning with the Mini MBA Hub.